I just wanna rock with you. Get the Bentley with the drop top for you. Take it to
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about potato salad. So I'm going to show you what I do to prepare my potato salad, and as you can see, I already have my potatoes chopped and washed to my liking. So in just a moment, you'll see how I transfer it into the pot of boiling water. So just a few minutes of boiling, and we're not going to waste any time, and I'm going to show you how it's boiled. Make sure you do season your pot with some salt and any other additional seasonings that you like, because we're making it to your taste. All right, and so we have some nice steamed vegetables, sorry, potatoes. And remember, you're going to cook them to the softness that you desire. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm adding in my peas and my corn. Now, I do prefer the taste of corn to be more abundant when I make my potato salad. So I go lighter on the sweet peas and heavy on the corn. And right here I have it seasoned with my mayo, black pepper, garlic, onion, all that good stuff. And then you got your little secret ingredient, which is that sugar, just a little. And then I also chopped some fresh onions in this dish as well. And then here I thought I was finished, and I totally forgot my boiled eggs. So I'm just adding that in right now. And then I'm just gonna give everything a nice mix right around. Like I said, this is a very simple recipe, and I do prefer my potato salad to be more on the mashed potatoey side. But like I said, you're cooking it to your desired in terms for texture. So if you prefer yours to be more firm, then please, by all means, you want to cook your potatoes less. Oh, and if you guys could hear the sound in this, it was sounding like macaroni in a pot, but we're gonna keep it PG over here. And so I just stirred that in because I forgot to add that in when when I mixed it around the first time. And so we're just gonna get her done real quick.